Effective, my amigos and amigas. I have to practice reading this one because I'm not yet very familiar. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is the unboxing of this wireless earbuds. I got this from a friend, a special friend, a Christmas gift. So he gave me the, how do you pronounce this, is the Rysh Tuft tool. So my amigos and amigas, I'm just going to unbox it in front of you. So this one, my amigos and amigas, let's unbox it. So this one is can connect to smartphone or even iPhone. Let's try it later, but first I will unbox it. This one, the regular price for this, by the way, is $60, the original. But I think they made in sale, so I think it's $30 or $32 for now. This one. This. The casing. This is the earbuds. Okay. It's the one. And two is for the right earbuds. Okay. So it's very nice, I can say. And the inside the box, this one. Run the connector for this one if I will charge it. So this one, like this, and you will connect it. It's a USB port. So this one, okay, it's really nice. Okay, and another one is the manual. So this one, my amigos and amigas, they will say how to use it, basic information, and wireless pairing. So this one, all the instructions are here. Phone call, Google Assistant, by the way, and volume control. So here, and functions. Okay, this one. So all in all, this one I have to read this because I'm using right now is the earbuds. So this one can connect in the iPhone too. This one as additional accessory. Okay. So let's try, my amigos and amigas. We connect to my iPhone. So my amigos and amigas, it's done connected already to Rysh Tuft earbuds. By the way, this one, the earbuds, it will ask you to pair with a password. So the password is 00040. Then you will just type here. Let's see. So this one, the Rysh Tuft 2, it's here, by the way, the connected one. So it can pair with iPhone, luckily, and I really like it. So let's try and connect it if it's good sounds. Okay, so this one is for the left and for the right. So the one here. Okay. So like this one is the top two. Password. It's pair. So a voice prompt will tell you it's connected. So it is connected. I can hear the voice. Okay, so like this. Then okay, so like this. I have to practice more in putting this one because it's my first time to use this kind of earbuds, because I'm using right now is the earbuds, not like this one, but I have to get used to it. Okay. Okay, this one. It's power on when I click it. Yeah, it's pairing, it said. Yeah, the sounds is I can hear it clear with this. Okay, so like this. I'm not sure, my amigos, because if I put right this one. I'm not used to it honestly, so I just listen some music and I try to practice it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Overall, I can hear clearly the music I'm playing. Yeah, it's connected. Okay. It's epic fail, my amigos and amigas. I have to practice reading this one because I'm not yet very familiar which is the volume high and low. So I have to read this one. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this, my unboxing and showing the accessories of this Rysh Tuft to true wireless earbuds, earphones, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me and watch out for this one. Again, I hope I can manage to do it properly in front of you. Bye! Thank you for watching this video, my amigos and amigas. If you like this video, my simple unboxing and showing the Tuft true wireless earbuds, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me.